everyone. I am doing this product review for the stand-up desk that I bought from Amazon. And the company is AIZ. AIZ created this stand-up desk. And this is just my assembled version of it. So I really like the material. I think it's quite sturdy. And I love the layout of it. The fact that you can adjust it based on your height. And you can put these two boards actually together so that they're the same level, or you can push it down a little bit to make it look a little fancier. You can use this desk as a computer desk or basically anything you like. It works for whatever reasons you need a desk for, right? But I use it for arts and crafts, and I love the fact that I can stand while I do my arts and crafts, and I think that's really important if you want to get some exercise in. And even if you have back pain, I heard standing up and doing work for like an hour is actually really good for your health. So yeah, so I would highly recommend this stand-up desk, and is actually affordable, and the material is quite decent. Thanks for listening.
This is the desk we bought. It is just super convenient because this thing right here lifts up and down. So you can make it even, or you can put it at the height you want. And you can set your laptop on the top, and then you can set your keyboard here, and it's super mobile. Like, you can move it around to a different room easily. It's small enough, yet it's just the right size for what we need. And we actually got a second one because we liked it so much we needed a second one for a second room. So here it is. Hope you enjoy it.
This is a great desk. It has knobs that allow you to position the desk as well as knobs to lower the other side. If you want to roll the desk, you have to unlock the feet. And then they do lock into place. There's some locks back here as well. And this is a great desk.
Hello everybody, this is the table that I got, and as you can see it has two levels here. So it means that I can actually have my notes up top here, and I can be giving my presentation from here. I'm a college professor, so I like to actually walk while I'm talking and I'm thinking, right? So with this table I can actually walk around and like standing, so I can think and walk and so forth. So yeah, I mean, so this is good value for the money, I think. So you can like increase or decrease the two levels. If you want to make out of it a standard table, you just put them both at the same level and put it down, and you can have a chair next to it. So yeah, I mean, so this is a good product. I think it's a decent value for the money. Great. Thank you for watching.
Okay, don't look at my dirty room, please. It's going through a lot, but I did it. I built it. You can move both of these, this and this will move up and down. It's a standing desk. I mean, and it could turn into like a small little table too. Of course you can put it down low and I can sit down, but if I want to stand up and stuff, it didn't take me that long to put it together. Maybe like an hour, a little over an hour, like an hour and a half. But whatever, still did it.
Okay, this is my workstation. Very portable, easy to move around. The wheels work great. Here's where you adjust the laptop stand and the flat surface stand, and basically you can stop it wherever you want. There's no tabs that it's not like this is position 1, this is position 2. And the reason I say that is because you can, if you're not paying attention, have a surface that's not even by raising one level a little bit higher than the other. So I would recommend you using an actual level to make sure you have a flat surface if that's really important to you. Otherwise you can just eyeball it.
I am a teacher and I got this standing desk from Amazon. And it works out really well for doing distance learning. I stand at it all day. It's really easily adjustable on both sides. Oops. And a nice space for me to store my things and work on my computer at the same time.